Welcome to Bond Bytes, a video series to keep you informed on capital improvements across the district. Our current bond program was approved by voters in November 2020. And thanks to Bond 2020, San Antonio ISD is making significant strides in modernizing its HVAC system across campuses. First, a little bit of history. Did you know, as San Antonio's founding school district, we constructed 75 schools before air conditioning became standard in buildings. As a result, in the 1980s, San Antonio voters passed the Cool Schools Bond to retrofit those campuses with AC. The systems of that time took hours to switch between cooling and heating, and you and I know Texas weather. Temperatures can change faster than that. Today, our Bond 2020 is allowing us to convert campuses to a system that allows simultaneous heating and cooling. That means no more waiting periods for cooling down or warming up. This is a win for our students and staff who benefit from better climate control and flexibility. Here's where we stand today. So far, our bond program has completed 3 HVAC projects at Edison High School, the athletic facility at Highlands High School, and Bowdoin Academy. We also have 3 current HVAC projects ongoing at Brackenridge High School, Lanier High School, and Schenck Elementary. Additionally, 30 campuses have received HVAC component upgrades. These projects replaced critical mechanical elements such as chillers, boilers, and rooftop units. When you do the math, that's 36 campuses to date that are benefiting from HVAC improvements. All of this is coming to San Antonio ISD because of Bond 2020 and voters just like you.